all your controls, you double, triple, quadruple check them for up and down, left and right, and all that good stuff.
Absolutely. So I'm gonna turn off my mix. Okay, maiden flight.
Nothing. Perfect night. Sounds good.
Maiden flight. I don't know what she's gonna do, but hopefully.
It sounds really good.
Thank you, sir. Sounds like a German tank, doesn't it?
Like a big old Panzer coming over the rise there.
It does. It really does.
What if you could... Well, I'll wait till you're done flying. Taking off!
Taking off, left to right! She flies great. Barely any trim required.
Oh, that was just beautiful. CG, everything looks just perfect.
Yes, sir.
That's cool.
I had to give her only 3 clicks of aileron trim.
Is that all?
Yeah, and I'm flying less than half throttle.
That's half throttle right there?
That's half throttle.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's great.
Okay, a little bit over half throttle just to give her a little bit of assistance. A little bit more. Left trim, left aileron trim. That's a total of 7 clicks from center on aileron trim. Nothing on the elevator, nothing on the rudder. Okay.
Full power?
Yeah, that's full power, yeah.
Kind of scale. Well, if there was an airplane like that, it would be scale speed.
Yes, sir. I'm going to bring her in for a landing just to check the battery. So, landing left to right. I'm not going to even use flaps.
I don't think you need to. I think it'll just float in. The way it took off, I think it'll just float in nice and easy.
Yes, sir. On final approach, left to right.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right.
Thank you.
Flaps would be perfect. The way it kind of dropped that last 3 feet, it kind of.
Yeah, I think that.
Flaps would be perfect. It'll just settle in. That'd be cool.
I think some folks in the first class are gonna want a little bit of a rebate on that first skip.
Another glass of
Yeah.
champagne or something.
Another glass of champagne.
Now you gotta paint it gray, put some military markings on it.
Yeah.
All right. Very cool.
Well, you definitely donated some good omen for me, sir. I really appreciate it by standing by.
Yeah.
I do have a ritual of putting a person standing by me, his name on the plane that was maiden with.
Do you really?
I do.
Oh.
I do that with all my planes, so if that's okay with you.
Oh, that's sure.
Okay.
Just don't tell anybody down there that the name of the plane is like, oh, that's trouble. That's actually kind of cool, though.
Thank you.
That thing's great, man.
Thank you.
You gotta buy one. The problem is that's 101.
It look good, Lenny?
What is that beeping?
It's just a voltage monitor. First, I just want to make sure it's only one's beeping. I got 2. If the second one's beeping, I know it's the time to land. Just to make sure the power draw is all there.
So how long a flight do you think you can get for us?
We set this at 2.5, and we have 48 seconds left.
Uh-huh.
So, which means I think I could get a good 4.5 minutes out of her,
Yeah.
because
Throttle control?
yeah, with throttle control. I'd probably just put it at 4, just to be safe. I'd hate to come down always at LVC.
Well,
Just a 3.8.
Put it at 4 and you come down and you got
Yeah.
missed and you got to go around, and that
Yeah.
one you go around
That's
is
neat.
the one you shouldn't have gone around.
Yep.
Yep.
If I get 3.89 volts per cell, I'll be happy. I mean, and then maybe I could, that way on a bad day, if we need to go around, if the field's crowded, you could let guys do what they need to do first, and at least have that luxury to spare if you need to. Yeah.
Neat looking plane.
Thanks, Lenny.
They're painted up gray.